Hi there and welcome to what I eat in a day. We might not be in focus, doesn't really matter. It's 1:45 in the afternoon. So I've got some back bacon that's just been in here with no fat or anything. It's just straight in the pan. And we're just going to swap the back bacon over. I thought it'd be a bit boring for you to see from the very beginning because everyone knows what bacon looks like when it's cooking. So yeah. So that's got the bacon there. That's going to be going away nicely. So we're going to move over here. We're going to do the eggs. So I'm going to go out of shot every so often, get rid of the eggshells. I'm being watched by my dog, by the way, because he's got his duck neck and he's got his tripe ready to go because he's raw carnivore as well. Okay. The eggs are free range from a local farmer. I'm not overly bothered if there's a little bit of shell going into that, by the way. It's all good. These eggs, by the way, don't have the print on them because they're from a local farmer. Free range eggs. So those chickens have been eating bugs and insects, creepy crawlies, and all things they're meant to eat. And they are free range because when I go to the farm, you can see the chickens running around. So I'm only going to have 4 eggs this morning. I stopped eating last night. Probably quite late for me, about 7 o'clock. And I'm just going to put the temperature up ready in the pan now, and we're going to put some tallow in there in a second. Right, so the egg's going to be there. I use tallow for the eggs, so you get some tallow. I'm going to put a big blob in. Don't tell the wife how much I use. So that's just tallow, beef dripping they call that here. And I think the bacon's probably looking alright. Here we go. Back to the eggs. So yeah, I stopped eating about 7 o'clock last night, and now it is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's 14 hours from midnight. I haven't eaten. Then you add the other 5 hours. So that's how long I fasted for. So that's about 19 hours. Okay, so that tallow started to melt. I'm going to put the eggs in there. There will be one other meal today. I don't know what it's going to be. It's New Year's Day in the UK. We've already walked the dog. I'll put some video of the dog up there as well. And this is a very, very healthy breakfast indeed. And then we just mix this on a high heat. Now, up until age 50, my breakfast was oatmeal, as they call it in the States. Canada, we call it porridge. And I had that from probably age 7. And I didn't drink, didn't smoke. I was a personal trainer. I was very sporty. I exercised every day. And when I got to 49, I was pre-diabetic. And I largely blame it onto the so-called healthy diet. Porridge, oatmeal. That's Rupert, by the way. He's waiting for his duck neck and his tripe. I'm talking tripe at the moment. So anyway, yeah, I got to 49 and I was pre-diabetic. I had a CAC score of 639. So I blame mainly that porridge, actually, and the skim milk and the fresh orange juice and all the fruit for a terrible, terrible health outcome at 49. So I'm 57 now, and I've been eating low carb for 7 years. And this is a really good breakfast. And what I've done is I've used a continual glucose monitor to look at the impact of my blood glucose from this breakfast compared to porridge. And porridge, skim milk, a few blueberries, basically puts my blood sugar really high, so that would mean my insulin would go really high, and I was obviously doing that every single morning. And now I've got the bacon and eggs, which doesn't put my blood glucose up. I'm sure this is why I've actually got much better health outcomes now. So there's my scrambled egg with tallow and eggs, no other ingredients, and then I'm going to put the bacon on, and then that's going to be my breakfast. I'll take a picture of the finished meal. The back bacon goes on. As you can see, this is my first what I eat in the day video. I'm sure we'll get to some sort of more professional way of making it look a bit more chefy. But yeah, this is fantastic. And I've seen all my bloods improve, my blood pressure improve. And there you go, there's my scrambled eggs. and hopefully you'll be watching some more of my videos. There should be a playlist somewhere on the screen for you to have a look at.